As the world over marked the 2023 World AIDS Day, the Adamawa State Agency for the Control of AIDS is celebrating its remarkable achievement in the vanguard against AIDS with support of the state government and other developmental partners. Present at the event is the wife of the Executive Governor of Adamawa State, Her Excellency Hajiya Lami Ahmad Umar Fintri. The Governor, represented by the Commissioner for Health and Human Service, other government officials, and developmental partners. HIV and AIDS, an epidemic in the country, posed a major challenge if not controlled, but thus the agency in Adamawa State says the state and its developmental partners are on the path of progress in testing and treatment.
And actually that is the ultimate goal of the project, to ensure that a substantial number, and of course by our mandate we are expected to test at least 95% of the population of the state. So, but we've exceeded because currently we've tested over 97%. And from the 97%, like I said earlier, 95% of those that were placed on treatment, amounting up to about 42,000, are currently having their viral load beyond 1,000 copies for this.
The vision ultimately is to have zero new HIV infection by 2030, zero stigma by 2030, zero discrimination by 2030, and also zero HIV-related deaths by 2030. And we are rapidly approaching 2030. Unfortunately, by the end of 2022, Nigeria had not yet achieved the epidemic control, and so was Adamawa, but we are very, very close. The 2023 World AIDS Day theme is titled, Let Communities Lead. The traditional rulers, the community leaders, the religious leaders, the leadership of people living with HIV/AIDS, the leadership of KP also should take lead in the HIV response. They should take lead in planning, implementing, monitoring, and evaluating HIV in Nigeria.
For the wife of the Governor of Adamawa State, Her Excellency Hajiya Lami Ahmad Umar Fintri, says achieving the zero HIV goal by 2030, special attention must be placed on care, especially to women and orphans affected.
We saw the seed of possibility by accepting hope, as we make sure that every orphan find their way to better tomorrow. We become beacon of hope and opportunities. We can enable children to dream, encourage, and achieve beyond their greatest dreams by providing them with education, guidance, and access to resources. As we gather here today, let us forget our shared responsibilities to these children. Let us show support, not just with words, but also with action. Let us be change agent, creating a web of hope, love, and opportunities for every HIV orphan child.
While commending the effort of the Adamawa State Agency for the Control of AIDS, the Governor, His Excellency Right Honorable Ahmad Umar Fintri represented, assured the citizens and other developmental partners on his unwavering support to achieving the set goal.
Rest assured that Adamawa State is fully committed towards fulfilling national and international obligations, including Abuja Declaration on Health, the Maseru Declaration on HIV/AIDS, the Convention on the International Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, the African Union Roadmap on Domestic Sustainable Financing, and the Universal Human Rights Declaration and commitment to attain the SDG. Indeed, this year, we have domesticated the 2021 International Political Declaration on HIV/AIDS, and whose goal is getting on track to end AIDS by 2030 by ending inequalities.
As part of activities to mark the day, the wife of the Governor also distributed relief items to patients to mark the day. JC Daniel, Kama Television News.